Welcome to Catholic Mom Mindset, a daily show where you learn to walk closely with the Holy Spirit so you can live the life God is calling you to. I'm your host, Sterling Jaquith. Let us begin. Welcome back. Today, I want to ask you to do something special. I want you to think about what you wish your mom had said to you. I want you to think about some key moments in your life, maybe when you were 5 or 7 or 12, moments where you felt dropped or unseen or dismissed, moments where you felt like your parents were maybe judging you or telling you that something was wrong with you. And all parents do that. We're not vilifying your parents. But this is a powerful exercise. When we do this and we think about what we wish our mom or our dad had said to us, we write it down. That may just be for me because I can't remember anything, so I have to write everything down. And then I want you to say that to your kids. And it's going to be hard. I don't know why it's so hard to give them that. I think it's that it fills us with this huge amount of love. And the love is for little us. Love is for little us because it feels so emotional because we just imagine, oh my goodness, you just wanted this so badly. You wanted someone to say that to you. And I want you to say those things to your kids. Because it's really easy to be mad about the socks on the floor when your teenager slams the door and when they act entitled over school supplies and when they tell you that it's horrible that all their friends get to do something and they don't get to do it. And parenting is a hard job because children are just very self-focused, and so it just feels like giving and giving and giving. But because of that, we get really focused on the business of parenting, the logistics of parenting. And sometimes we miss giving the most important thing. And my guess is the thing that you're not giving your kids is the thing that you didn't get from your parents. And I'm just asking you to create the space to think about that. I think one of the most powerful things we can do is create space to think. But that rarely makes it on a mom's to-do list. But that's why you come here, and that's why these are 5 minutes. I'm creating space for you to think. So I want you to think about what you wish your parents had said to you. And I want you to begin saying those things to your children because it's probably what they need to hear. I think it's pretty cool that we can significantly change the world by changing one generation of how a family behaves. So you can go from having a family that is bad with money or drinks too much or has narcissism. And it only takes one person to change and say, I'm not going to live like that and I'm not going to parent like that. And then from then on out, that family tree now is better. We have the power to do that. So I don't know what your family tree needs, but this exercise is one pretty easy way to find some low-hanging fruit. Things you can tell your children that you wish your parents had said to you. And I think if you do this and you begin practicing those new things, you're going to feel really proud of yourself as a mom. I love you. Thanks for coming here. I love doing this with all of you. And I'm praying for you. I really am. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Catholic Mom Mindset. To learn more about growing closer to the Holy Spirit, check out our free resources at madeforgreatness.co. Thank you so much for listening and have a blessed day.